guys, today we are playing Roblox Jailbreak, as you can see, and yeah, so I'm gonna be, I already was playing for a little bit. I thought I was recording, I swear, but it turns out I wasn't, so I'm just like in the middle of this. I swear, I thought I was recording. Okay, locked? Yes. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't have a duffel bag. Wait, or maybe I do. I don't know. No, I legit don't know. You got 500. Okay. I swear, I just thought that was... This is the glitchiest game ever. I touched the laser way before I got hurt. Like, I actually got hurt. I swear. Woo! Okay. Bloop. Bloop. Let's go. Oh shoot, I forgot. That was a close one. I'm just gonna revive health right here. Whoop. Whoop. Oh. No! No! Why am I naked? Guys, tell me. Tell me, why am I naked? I think I'm gonna have to stay naked for the rest of the video. Or maybe. Okay. I did get that on camera. I'm actually recording. And also, I got 2 spam comments. One was like, maybe we should do a sub for sub, and those were definitely spam. Those were both bots. Both today. That was very fake. Wait. Are they? Yeah, they were just right here. And I still have my screen recorder right there. That's funny. But it cannot show the tab for my screen recorder. And look, I'm actually gonna rejoin because maybe let's play a different game. Oh my god. What the heck? Nah. Okay, there we go. Shoot. No game should we play? Yeah. My favorite is Roblox. My favorite game is Roblox. Hey. Game. Let's play a little bit of Phontom Forces. Then after, I don't know, like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes. So guys. No, not sure. Oh, I almost went on there. Okay, timer. Okay, so after 10 minutes. Me. I might have a little bit of trouble with this, but again, okay. Get on my feet. Okay. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Okay, let's start playing. The case. Cool. Deploy. What the heck? How did I switch to that? Oh, I accidentally pressed 2. God, okay, let's go. Oh shoot. Oh, I swear, I thought that was an enemy. This is the most... I got killed with a frag. Come on. rank 104. That's just crazy, guys. Oh, also if you want to add me on Roblox, I have a couple more space. For a second, I just thought I teleported somewhere. So gonna be very rare. And in the comments below, you gotta tell me your Roblox username, just so I can play. I got my Glock, and I see somebody, I'm like, oh my god. I swear if I kill somebody with my Glock, I'm gonna be like, get no scope. That might be cringy for you, because it is cringy. To me, it's kind of cringy. But I still might do it. Oh my god. Sorry if I have low audio. I'm using my recorder. Ooh, vector. I never have it in vector. Woo! This is the best thing ever. Oh shoot, I see somebody. They're all right behind me! Yeet, eye boy. That's funny. Sorry, I know I'm very bad at Phantom Forces. And everybody, I think, have, like, a card on the different team, like, is a bad guy. Who's on our team. So if I think this is a good guy, then might as well just shoot him. Cause I know I'm gonna think. Sorry if I don't talk for a little bit. And the only reason why is because I'm very concentrated on Phantom Forces. I'm always. Sorry, I had caps on and I was turning it off. Well, I literally thought somebody was hacking. Like, they were just right behind me and then boom, they're gone. Maybe get this Glock. I don't even know if this is a Glock actually, so don't blame me if it's not a Glock. Oh! I know it's about to get him, except it was just way too laggy. And if y'all hear, it's this. Because it goes off even if it's not in your tab. So, most people already know that. So it really don't matter. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to say my Roblox name. It was I'm Bad 33. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to upload this because actually, like, my videos never opens. Only opens sometimes. Oh! Man. 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I was just calculating if I have enough time, because the limit for my recording is 15 minutes, and I do have enough time. B. I know B. Oh my god, he has such... Man, I really want to watch, my favorite streamer, Gamer Boy JJM. I can't tell. I'm just gonna press X. Okay. Boom. Okay. Ooh, that was a... Oh shoot, oh shoot. I have no idea why I did that. That was a very bad idea. For a second I thought that was a literally car. I swear, if I have no scope, because like with this, how did he How did she or he see me? Like, just deploy. Why can't you deploy on somebody if they're okay? I didn't know it was King of the Hill. Well, I'm gonna get a kill. Oh, I almost got a kill. This is that was a crazy battle. No, they got ours. Let's do this anyways. Okay. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them. Little do they know. Woo! Not little. Oh, enemy killed. Get scope. It's like the complete opposite. Oh, okay. He's a good guy. Dude, did I scope him? I'm gonna scope him. Yeah, of course, scope him. Nobody's there. Capturing. Capture. Yeah. Oh. Slash. Man. Oh, there it is. Deploy. I want to okay, there. Oh. I think everybody's an enemy in this game. I always think that there's an enemy. Whoop. There's like 2 people surrounding me right now. Oh, there's somebody. Oh, he died. Slash, you know that means, you know, was made for. I swear, if someone gets tagged, I'm gonna be so mad. Die. Yes, nothing got tagged. You know that was made for someone who died. Oh shoot. Everybody's scaring me. Like, oh, I gotta shoot them. And then okay, I'm gonna try to capture the hill. Get in! Get in! Okay, there. Wait, the hill's over there, so I'm gonna. Everybody's probably gonna try to be at the hill. Oh shoot! Oh, why is my game so glitchy and laggy? It's just weird. Oh. They literally just put where I spawned. They just ran where I spawned. Ah! Oh, that's my timer. Okay. So, bye guys. Okay. Why did I think it was the intro? Bye guys. I wonder if I can if this works. Yeah. How do I do this? Oh my god. guys. I for real don't know how to